In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create the parallel plane in the geometry at this end of our spring. So I want to make a plane parallel to this. So I'm going to pre-select it, I'm going to hold Control, and I'm going to select this endpoint of my spring. So I'm going to make a parallel plane that pierces that point. So I've pre-selected the geometry, I'm going to select Reference Geometry Plane, and it'll see it's making a parallel plane at this point coincident, and I'll say OK. Now in that plane, so I'm going to call this 2-degree parallel. And in this plane, I'm going to create my next sketch. So I'll look normal to it. And once again, I would like a 3-point arc. So I'm going to click on white space to remove the visibility of the plane. And then I'm going to activate 3-point arc. I'll have this style. I'm going to work from the origin. Just going to come close to the point I want to be at. Move this down and click to create it. I'll use mouse gestures to activate smart dimensioning. I'll dimension this 0.163 and push escape, and I want to rotate around a bit. And once again, I want to choose the helix near the end but not at the end. And then I want to choose this endpoint, release, and make the relationship pierce. So that's fully defined. I'm going to exit the sketch. And my next sketch will be in the right plane. So I'm going to select the right plane, select sketch. I'll look normal to it. And I'm ready to sketch in this end. Again, I'm going to start with a 3-point arc. So I'm going to rotate around a bit. I want to select that point. I've gotten the wrong type of arc, not a problem. Come back here, select the proper. Again, select this point, move up, and move over and click to create the 3-point arc. I'm going to push escape. I'll go back to the normal to view. I'll use my mouse gestures to activate line. I'll draw my line, push A in the keyboard to switch back into arc, create the arc, and push escape. So again, I'm going to add dimensions and relationships to fully define it. First, I'll select this arc, hold Control, select this arc, and I'll add the tangent relationship. I'll check that I have my tangency here, and I do. I'll activate Smart Dimension. I'm going to go back to the normal to view. And I want to dimension from here to here at 1/4 inch. Make this a 1/2 inch. And this radius is 1/4. I'm going to push escape again. I want this fully defined. So I want to see what moves and how does it move. So what I can see right away is this and this are not tangents, so I'll add those. And then this point and the center point will be vertical. My sketch is fully defined. I'm going to right click and exit my sketch. And in the next video, we're going to look at how we make this into a composite curve as well as a 3D sketch that gets converted into splines.